Cajun Jewelry Box. What? My wife needed a jewelry box for a lot of jewelry. Since I'm a poor old Cajun, I decided I'd make my own. I made a box 30 inches high, 12 inches deep, and 16 inches wide out of 1/4 inch plywood with 3/4 by 3/4 inch strip of wood and used screws to put it together. She had a fancy glass lamp that was broken, so I used that for the windows. Got some fancy wood trim and glued it on. I got a light for the inside, hinges, magnets, and knobs to keep the door closed. Maybe I should have got a piano hinge for the door. It would have looked better. I made a drawer and put finishing nails for the necklaces. Puttied up the screw holes and painted it. Some pictures made the box look brown or unpainted, but it was all white. I put some wood on the bottom above the drawer to give it a floor. Plenty of drawer space. I had to make a hole in the back for the wire to go through for the light. So that's a bit of an eyesore, but not too bad. And there's magnets and a roller type of latch. Used little clips to hold the fancy glass in. I had to add little pieces of wood to put the magnet plates on. The wood looks brown. The hinges look a little bit tacky. You could see the light is bright through the windows. There's that fancy glass. And that fancy trim too. Now you can see the necklaces through the window, just the way I planned. And I got some of that fancy trim on the top to keep stuff from falling off. Now she's starting to put some of that jewelry in there. Yep. What? That's a lot of jewelry there.